biggest proud moment was when our major Hemant Joshi was the chief guest for the function. That was a moment of pride. Even I am having goosebumps now when I am speaking this memory.
हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि इस वक्त आपका वो स्कूल का दोस्त कहाँ है और क्या कर रहा है? यही सवाल को लेकर मुझ में हमेशा एक तलब सी रही है। फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप और सोशल मीडिया में वो बात नहीं होती। तो ऐसे ही कुछ जज्बात लेकर मैं चर्चा करूंगा आपके और हमारे स्कूल के दोस्तों से। प्लीज़ मुझसे जुड़िए। मैं हर हफ्ते आपको एक नए पुराने दोस्त से ज़रूर मिलवाऊंगा।
24 साल यार, 24 साल तो मतलब आई थिंक आई वांट टू नो कि भाई आप कहाँ थे, क्या कर रहे हो और आप कहाँ हो?
Actually, entire mera education and everything has been in Nasik itself. Means I didn't go out, but क्या कहते हैं? In spite of being in Nasik, by God's grace also, I got several opportunities to be in Australia, then South Africa and stuff, roam around the world, except UK.
Okay.
But the thing is, I had a dream of working for Microsoft in Redmond. It was a very, what you can say, ek sapna tha, since I started working in .NET. And finally, it got accomplished in 2013 when I worked in Redmond for Microsoft. And then it was like dream came true. I have achieved one milestone and बस हो गया भाई अभी क्या करना है तो by that time I was blessed with a daughter actually. So I was in Mumbai then when I went to Microsoft. I was in Mumbai then for job from where I went. And then after I got daughter, I started feeling insecure कि नहीं अभी मुंबई में नहीं वगैरह. Let's go back to Nasik. And I came back to Nasik and 2 साल job किया. And then I was working. I was very passionate about ये IoT when I had visited Redmond actually. वहाँ पर पहला exposure मिला. तो ये नासिक वाली कंपनी ने उतना एंटरटेन नहीं किया कि हाँ ठीक है छोड़ो ऐसा वैसा. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड माय ओन स्टार्टअप विद सम स्मॉल थिंग्स. एंड अभी एक 3 साल हो गए होंगे कि नाउ वी आर सेटलिंग डाउन. सो ओवरऑल a blessed journey so far.
And so that brings you back to the school sort of thing. How often have you gone back to school since 96?
No, I used to, whenever I was in Nasik, I used to go for 15th August at least. Especially the biggest proud moment was when our major Hemant Joshi was the chief guest for the function. So it was a surprise for me because I used to go for 15th August function to see the march past and Bichwe sir and everything. And when I saw that Hemant Joshi is today's chief guest, that was a moment of pride. Even I am having goosebumps now when I am speaking this memory. So yes, that was an awesome moment while visiting the school era.
Excellent. So I think I know you got plenty of good memories, I guess, from the school. So can you just tell me maybe one or two memories, one or two memories which really sort of strike a bell?
Related to Samir Date. Do you remember him?
Yes, I remember Samir. Yeah.
Yeah. So he has been mischievous since those days itself. So it was Marathi period, and it was Miss Mangala who was teaching it, and there was some fun going on. And he was the one who had initiated fun, and everyone was laughing, including me also. But she saw him, and she hit him so badly, even slaps, hits, and it was hell like the stuff. And instead of being frightened of what is going on, we were laughing much more. I was behind Darpan More. So teacher saw the Darpan More, even he was called upon, he was hit. And finally, then I got afraid whether I'll be hit or not. Tarun Vasan's birthday used to be a surprise for most of them because we never gave him any gifts, but we always got the return gifts. This relates to Miss Geeta. It relates to the history lecture, and I don't remember much other stuff, but the way she used to teach World War. If you remember, in exams, we were asked to write the chronological sequence of these events, and we had to by heart those events, that this year this happened, this year this happened. And the way she taught us the history chapters for World War, showing the world map, why, what happened, and how it got, the flow went. Trust me, for the first time I went into the library, I read reference book first time in my life, and I never by heart the chronological order for the World War 1 and 2. It was embossed, it was in brain. Okay, this is how it happened. So teacher teaching that lesson and me understanding the stuff and me doing this something like reference book in 10th.
Right. So I think
nice about it.
I think you've got sort of excellent sort of memories. मतलब I तो don't even remember इतना कुछ detail में कि what I actually did, 24 साल 25 साल पहले. So it's like, it's actually feeling very good to hear all of this and all your experiences and all your memories, I guess, what you've been through.
So friends, that was the story of our friend Mandar. I hope आपको ये storytelling का अंदाज पसंद आया हो. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think. If you have any specific questions or comments, please use the comment section and I will respond to all your comments. और हाँ, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपका कोई specific दोस्त इस तरह आपसे जुड़े, so please tag them. Let's get them sharing their memories and let us all relive the past.